So I know you want to know how you can get TikTok shop in Jamaica or anywhere in the world, so you need to stop scrolling. You don't need to pay anyone to find information because it's all on the internet for free. First thing that I had to do was get a paid VPN, and that name is McAfee. It was the cheapest VPN that I saw. It was $4.99, and I've been seeing others like $13.99 and more per month. And then when you purchase this VPN, all you have to do is just create a new TikTok account while the VPN is on, and then you will get access to the TikTok shop. Sometimes, well, if you don't have a email, or you can make one as well, but I think they're gonna ask for your number. But what I did was to get a number from Skype that I have to pay for as well. That was for $7.99, but probably there are other services that you can use to get a cheaper number. I'm not sure, but I used Skype, and I entered that number that's generated for me. All you have to do is just get a number. If it requires you to get a US number, and you get the McAfee VPN, and that's it. What I did also was I used it on my tablet, because when I was trying before, what I did was ask somebody in the US to create an account for me, but when I put on the VPN, it just disabled any account I had before, so I had to start from scratch. So in order for you not to lose any account that you have currently, I would say for you to do it on a device that is not a phone, or if you do have a phone, probably take out your chip or something so it doesn't pick up your location regardless. Here I can show you. Here is access to the TikTok shop, and there is a shopping cart and everything. You can press it, and there you go. Don't say that you have to start from scratch, but you can create content and easily grow back your following. And I can show you where I ordered a package. Here I ordered a tumbler just to see if it really works. So it's already shipped, and I ordered it yesterday. So as I said, just download a VPN. You have to pay for it, and you can get a new account with TikTok shop.